warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Nadia Febriyanti. I'm from 9D of Junior High School 6 Sidoarjo. Today, I'm going to make something special, something that is happening now. It is Dalgona Cappucino. Now I will show you the ingredients and equipment that are needed. First, the ingredients we need: 2 sachets of Arabica cappuccino, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of hot water, 1 liter of milk, and for the toppings I will use crushed Oreo and chocolate sprinkles. For the equipment, we need a large bowl, tablespoons, and glass. Let's get started!
Pour 2 sachets of cappuccino into a bowl. Add 2 spoons of sugar. Add 3 spoons of hot water. Mix them in 10 minutes. Add the ice cubes into the glass. Pour the milk. Add the dalgona on the milk. Add the toppings.
Voila! The Dalgona Cappuccino is ready to serve.